Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So, this is going to be a collective reading and it's going to be a connection check in reading. So, we will be checking what is happening in this connection or what are the energies. So, let's begin and take what resonates, leave the rest. So, let's start. Jai Guruji. So first let's check what is exactly happening in this connection. Challenging times, spread your wings, balance, release, and we have refusing to see. Okay, see, starting with this, I do feel this connection is kind of going through its own ups and downs right now. Okay, there are a lot of challenges that you both are going through when it comes to this connection. And why is this happening? Because see, I think you are dealing with someone who has their own individuality. Okay, or probably someone who is too masculine or too feminine. Okay, so when that happens, initially there will be clashes. Okay, because the masculine doesn't understand the language of feminine, and feminine doesn't understand the language of masculine. And I am very much sure that there's one person who is not so spiritually aware. So if you talk about twin flame relationship with this person, or if you talk about divine masculine feminine energy with this person has no idea about all of this. Okay, or they have very less information about all of this. Okay, so you are dealing with someone who is completely in their own masculine energy and you are in your completely feminine energy, or vice versa. So that is why there are certain clashes, there are certain blocks, or I would say there's a wall when it comes to merging this masculine and feminine energy. Okay, but at the same time, it yes, I do feel that once you decide to release this defense mechanism that you both are, you know uh, literally you both are too much into your too much into your defense mechanism energy. So we got the card 5 could be an important number, 13 and 3, 2 can be an important number, 144 can be an important number. So you are protecting yourself and this person is protecting themselves. Okay, you both are protecting um, yourselves. Okay, so the problem is that this person wants to be in their own individuality, you want to be in your own individuality, and nobody wants to really mingle, nobody really wants to adjust. And that is why your person is being very much defensive, because I do feel that this person wants to come towards you, they want to be with you, they want to talk to you. But I see two energies. So whomsoever is in the masculine energy, the masculine energy is completely about not being able to express. Okay, because I do feel that the masculine here wants to express, the masculine here wants to reach out, the feminine pursue the feminine, but I think feminine is too busy in her free wilderness energy, the feminine is too much into her freedom energy. I think the feminine here is really spreading her wings and off to some kind of wilderness. I do see with the feminine energy, there's a lot of wilderness, there's a lot of moody energy, there's a lot of kiddish energies also there, very spontaneous energy, very wild energy. So I think the feminine here is, they'll do whatever they want to. Okay, so this is kind of making difficult for the masculine to reach out. Okay, so that is the reason why the masculine is thinking so much whether I should talk to this person or not, whether I should do this or not, whether this person will understand or not. Because I feel that whenever this person thinks to take a step towards you or probably the feminine here literally takes 10 steps forward in her own life. Okay, so it becomes very difficult for the masculine to really to make her sit and talk, to express what he feels, what the masculine feels. So that is something where you both are kind of lacking right now, which is why there's a lot of lack of balance, there's this lack of integrity, there's this lack of integration within you two. And I do feel that one of you are going to release this, because see, with the feminines, I do feel the feminines are refusing to see the truth about this connection. Okay, the whomsoever the feminine is, you are refusing to see that this person is your divine masculine. Okay, probably because of your past experiences, because of your past hurts and everything, you are making yourself feel, or you know, when you do that self talk, you just say to yourself that, you know, I'm going to live my life, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do as I please, but I'm not going to trust this person, because this person has their ego, this person is this person is that, or probably this is my karmic connection. No, honey, this is not your karmic connection. I think you're refusing to see the truth of this connection. You're refusing to see who this person is, what is their energy, what is their truth, who this person is for you, the connection that you share. So that is something which is kind of missing. And with this person, I think the masculine energy here needs to really release their shadows, because they need to understand that whatever the case may be, okay, the masculine will have to pursue, the masculine will have to decondition this pattern or this thought process that feminine is going to chase, or the feminine is going to come, or the feminine is going to welcome the masculine here. Because I do sense that the masculine energy needs to do some work, and the masculine here needs to release these old patterns, because I think the person that you're dealing with, they have certain set belief systems. For example, I'm not going to pursue anyone, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to fall in love, this and that. So they have a lot of perceptions, probably they have a lot of belief systems about relationships as well. And now these relationship advices and whatever they have in their mind, the lessons and everything, they all have become a part of some kind of outdated belief. Okay, and they need to understand that this is not going to work anymore. So they need to see things from a fresh perspective, because when you see a normal person, or when you see relationships in general, maybe then these belief systems work. Okay, but when you are dealing with your divine feminine, the masculine here needs to understand that all these shadows and all these patterns and all these belief systems, they're not going to work anymore. So this is what is exactly happening in this connection. So universe wants the masculine to release their ego, release their shadow, and universe wants the feminine to see the truth about this connection. Okay, now let's see what is your energy towards them. No, wait. How do they feel about you? Let's check that first. They're struggling to make a choice, guys. I think here the person that you're dealing with, they are living in intense fear right now. They are in burden. Okay, they are in a lot of burden when it comes to you. They don't know how to proceed with the connection, they don't know how to proceed with you. And I think they are not in burden of, I don't think there are any external factors as such, because it seems that this person is responsible enough. It seems that this person can really handle burden and work pressure and all of that. But when it comes to emotional pressure, when it comes to emotional burdens, this person cannot really carry that. Okay, so their EQ is not so good, that is for sure. Their emotional quotient is not so good, and they are in burden when it comes to you. Okay, they are in burden when it comes to understanding this relationship, because I do feel that deep down they want to understand this relationship, they want to create something, but at the same time they don't know how to. They feel completely clueless. They want some help, but at the same time their ego, or you can say their self-respect is not letting them, release this thing. Okay, I do feel that they want to talk to you about this. They want to talk about that probably they're not good in relationship, that they need to learn a lot about relationships and this and that, but they're really struggling to say this to you. They are struggling to express this thing to you, and the only reason why they're struggling in this is because of their ego. Okay, and you cannot help in this. Please do not become the mothers, do not become the fixers, because if you try to become the fixer, this person will never be able to learn their lessons. Okay, then we have Eight of Swords and Two of Wands as well. So for now, I do feel that this person is choosing fears over their heart. This person is choosing their mind over their heart, over their emotions, over the love they have for you, because this person definitely feels deeply for you. Deep intense feelings are there. Okay, but the game is all about whether this person chooses their love over fears, or they choose fears over love. Okay, so right now this person is going through all of this. Let's see what is going to happen next, if they're going to take any action, or if they are planning to come towards you. Great Fortune, Thief, Concern, and we have Courtship. See, I don't think that this person is going to be very direct in their approach. Okay, बहुत जल्दी तो ये चीज़ नहीं होने वाली है. Though I do sense that they might come up with some kind of gift. Okay, or they might want to spend a lot of time with you. We also have Thief here. So this person is going to hide their feelings. Okay, they are really concerned about you. They are really concerned about this connection as well. They really want to know where this is going. They really want to have a courtship period with you. They really want to give this relationship a chance, want to know you genuinely. They want to be with you. They want to create a lot of things with you. They are pretty much concerned about all of this, but they're not going to show it. Okay, they're going to hide their feelings. They're going to show that probably everything is okay, or they're going to talk to you very normally, or they would just spend time with you like a friend, or they would want to give you like a small gift or some kind of memento, but not going to share their concern. But I'm telling you that this person is very much worried about this connection. This person is very much worried about where this connection can go, whether you're going to accept them or not, whether you are interested in them or not. Okay, so a lot of things are going in this person's head. So but this person is going to cover everything up. And yeah, so though I do feel that universe might create a situation. Okay, unexpectedly something can happen, because वही बात है ना, जब यूनिवर्स इंटरवीन करते हैं तो वो सामने वाले के पूरे दिमाग को चेंज कर देते हैं. राइट, देन द पर्सन के ना, वही बात है जो हम बोल रहे हैं ना, प्यार में एक इंसान इतना अंधा बन जाता है. तो प्रॉबली ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है, कोई एक ऐसी सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो सकती है वेयर, and it's a very subjective message. Okay, and very specific message for everyone. So 10% chances, or I would say only miracle will work here. Okay, if universe wants, I do feel something unexpected can happen, and all of a sudden you might have your own courtship period with this person. This person can even gift you something, and through that gift they might want to ask you out, or they might want to have that courtship period with you. So something of that sort is definitely happening, but it's not going to happen very soon. It may take around 4 days for some. For others it may take around 4 weeks, but not more than that. I don't see any further delays when it comes to this particular thing. But yeah, this person cares about you as well, guys. Okay, And I think that this person knows that you are kind of not really happy. I think this person, let me see. Yes, this person, see, this person feels that you also miss them. Okay, this person feels that you are not very happy when it comes to you and them not talking or being in no contact zone. So they are worried about you also, whether you are okay or not. Okay, but at the same time, this person is in some kind of doubt, because when they'll see you enjoying and spreading your wings out there and being all lovey-dovey, having compassion for others and blah blah blah. But that is what this person is going to be confused about. Okay, their heart knows that you're not happy, but their mind or 3D world might tell them that maybe she or he is happy. That kind of energy is there. Okay, so I think that is it. Let me see one message for the feminine energy here specifically, or I would say one message for the viewers. Okay, not just the feminine energy. One message for the viewers when it comes to this connection. Family room, message of concern, community, main male. Okay, see, one thing is for sure that I'm getting two messages. One is that there going to be some kind of family discussion. There can be some kind of family discussion when it comes to this person, or there's someone new who is about to enter in your life. Okay, it can be some kind of marriage proposal or something of that sort. Arranged marriage setting is also there. And for others, if I talk about specifically about this connection, then I do feel that you might receive a message of concern. This person might want you to meet their family. They might want you to take you on an event or something of that sort. So this person is going to act like a main male, and you might want to introduce this person to your family. Though you both have different backgrounds, I do see that this person's upbringing has been very different, your upbringing has been very different. Okay, so maybe this person is not so emotionally expressive, but I feel that you both are going to talk about something which is triggering both of you, which is really bothering both of you emotionally. Okay, where you might talk about your childhood traumas, where you might talk about your parenting, how you've been brought up, how this person has been brought up, the kind of community they have been in, the kind of community you have been in. Okay, so all this deep, some kind of deep conversation can happen very soon, where you both will understand each other's perspectives. And yeah, I think that is it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.